On May 18, 2024, BernCo and Paradise Hills Little League celebrated the completion of several significant improvements to the Paradise Hills Little League Park with an inaugural first pitch event.
When my kids were playing in Little League, I was a coach and an umpire, but most days we were doing good just to get our kids here to practice on time or to the games on time. If you're here, you're just focusing on how your kids are playing. It's easy to overlook all the work that goes on behind the scenes by guys like Geno and all the coaches out here. Outcome is this. We have fields that nobody has to worry about, and the kids can just play ball and have fun.
Paradise Hills Little League President Geno Rivera announced the roster of its all-star team for the 2024 season.
You've been here for so long and you watch some of these kids start off at minors, T-ball, and you see them play through all the different divisions. For many of them on this team, this was their last season that they can play for Paradise. So this team is pretty special.
The event marked the end of a renovation project that began last fall. The project included all new ADA-compliant concrete pathways and parking lot, new fencing for the field's backstops, and privacy-link fencing for the outfields, the installation of crusher-fine warning track, red clay infields, and new gabion baskets. New railings throughout the park were also installed, as was a seating area by the concession stand. The landscape also received several improvements, including new irrigation systems for the fields, new trees, and a new native seed area. To celebrate the improvements, the league held a parade of teams. With a formal opening ceremony and presentation of colors.
I will say Sarah and strive to win, but win or lose, I will always do my best.
And finally, it was time for the first pitch from Commissioner Benson.